7 warning signs that you may have parasites. Welcome to Bloom! Parasites are organisms that live off other organisms to survive. This organism is called a host. When parasites invade the host organ's systems and reproduce, this makes the host sick, resulting in a parasitic infection. Parasitic infections are unpleasant and quite common. They can infect anyone at any time. They can make you very sick, but if you know the warning signs, you can get treatment. In today's video, we will go over 7 warning signs that you may have parasites. Keep watching until the end so that you don't miss the most important signs that you may have a parasitic infection. Number 1. Stomach pain or digestive issues. If you have chronic stomach pain that won't go away, it could be the result of parasites. One of the first signs of a parasitic infection is stomach pain or digestive issues. When parasites get inside the gastrointestinal tract, they can cause inflammation in the stomach, causing pain. They also release byproducts that build up in the gut, resulting in pain, gas, and indigestion. Number 2. Anal itching. If you have constant itching around your anus or anal discomfort, you could be infected with small parasites called pinworms. Pinworms are parasites that can live in the colon or the rectum. At night, the female pinworms leave the intestines to lay eggs around the anus, which causes intense itching. This infection is common in children and can often spread to the entire family. Number 3. Fatigue and weakness. Fatigue and weakness may be a symptom of a parasite infestation in the body. Intestinal parasites feed on the food you eat, which can deplete the body of vital nutrients. They can severely affect the body's ability to absorb carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. This can leave you feeling weak and exhausted even after eating enough food and getting plenty of rest. Enjoying this video? Give us a like and let us know what other videos you would like to see in the comment section below. Number 4. Teeth grinding. If you are grinding your teeth at night when you are sleeping, this could be a symptom of a possible parasite infection. When parasites invade the digestive system, they release toxic waste and molecules in the body. These molecules trigger bruxism or teeth grinding. Number 5. Anemia. When the body is infested by intestinal roundworms or pinworms, this can lead to iron deficiency in the body and ultimately cause anemia. Anemia occurs when there are not enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen to your body's organs. When parasites invade the body, they consume the iron from the foods you eat, resulting in iron deficiency anemia. Number 6. Skin problems. Parasite infections can cause the skin to become red and inflamed, resulting in various skin problems such as eczema, hives, and rashes. This is a result of the toxins and waste products released on the skin by the parasites. The body's immune response to the parasites also contribute to the development of rashes on the skin. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos like this and much more. Number 7. Muscle and joint pain. If you experience sudden pain in the muscles, joints, or any other part of the body, this could be a symptom of a parasitic infection. When parasites invade soft tissues of the muscles and the joints, they release toxins. These toxins cause an inflammatory response within the body, which result in muscle and joint pain. This pain is often mistaken for arthritis and many other conditions. If you found this video helpful, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.